Hadin ka Jingling shop ka bor Mariang hakathan lam mi ngi kari India lengba ulabba lapsan ka ba ka jela Meghalaya ru kalangat ka Jingshlei haki babuan ki district. Ki district West Garo Hills but South West Garo Hills kilong ki so pedung jong ka Jingshlei pat jingtua khendo ka bajur hakapor liur namar kidan ki pentha ki bayar hadu kata-kata syapadun ka wa ba Brahmaputra. Hakasingi thoding balala Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ke sangma ulalet kerke syatura banwat Jingtip batikna syapang ki Jingtynjulor na uslam bat ka jingdu no ki mensim breu na ka Jingshlei jingtua ka khendo ka jingklem ki yeng kisam bat ka jingdukut ki surok na ka jingrong no ka saw ya ki jingke yat kali. Ki Deputy Commissioner, ki Superintendent of Police, bat ki wei ki Officer Rangbah, ki bapet ki tenat baper ki la ai, ya ki report syau, bat ki layat ho, bat ki lapen stat ban yarap marmar ya ki long yeng long sem ki bangat haki apot, khamtam ya ki tu ki bangat, haka Jingshlei bat Jingtynjulor ki yeng syong yeng sa. Layat ho hau Myntri Rangbah, baka rep karyang haki babun ki jaka ki la Jingpynjulor hau islam, bat haka Jingshlei Myntri Rangbah ula ai jingmut ya ki DC ban wad ki lat gelenti ban thau ki yeng sa shipor da ki tin ba ki long yeng ki basak ta hakapor liur ki shong ri shipor. Myntri Rangbah ula le chatura civil hospital ban jingo bat penno jingerap ya kalong yeng ka balangat hakalanot hakani katayo balala haka na ulabba ubala pen klem ya ka yeng ka baladu no laingut ki mensim. Ula kentui ki officer hagi district ban yarap kloy lan ya ki patba ki bangat hagi jing hakani kapor liur.
So I am in Garo Hills in Tura right now, and I just finished one review of the overall flood situation in the whole of Garo Hills, but mostly in West Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills and South Garo Hills. In the meeting, the Deputy Commissioners, the SPs and block officials and other officials were present, and a detailed report on the damages that happened have been taken, and accordingly instructions have been given to the respective deputy commissioners to ensure that prompt action and prompt relief is given to all the individuals who have been affected, and quick assessment of other damages including house and agriculture damages have also been asked to be assessed, and report to be submitted at the earliest so that necessary relief can be given to the individuals concerned. At the same time, I just visited the family members of the people who had died in the landslide. I met the father and the son who survived, and I have just handed over the ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs each, which is totaling 12 lakhs to the father who survived, and as soon as we get the bank account details from them, then the money will be transferred to them. We are also on high alert to ensure that all precautionary steps can be taken to ensure that if another situation arises, then necessary steps can be taken and response can be given at the earliest.